Welcome everyone. Today is October 17 and what we have is the electric float parade. So it's a competition between barangays in Bacolod. I think there are 12 participants for the float competition, and later on there's gonna be a dance off, and then 12 barangays will also show their dance preparation. So first off is Barangay 5. So again, this is Barangay 5. So that's Barangay 5. I think this is Barangay 17. This is Barangay 34. Barangay 12. So this is Barangay 19. So this is their float design. And that's Barangay 19. Ari naman, Barangay 8. It's Barangay 8. Hello, sir. Ari galing Barangay 17, sorry. Ano? Barangay 17. Takong sa nila design. Actually wala pa ka-start ila parade. Ari pala sa assembly area. I think parade will start at 6. Ano ka mga barangay gani? Barangay 17. Sino yung choreographer? Hello. So this is Barangay 17. First line. Good luck. Next, tanong-tanong din yung barangay ni. Again, mga 6 pa ma-start ila parade. Gusto namin siya tanawon kung may suga na later. Ano nga barangay. By the way, ila assembly area, diri sa may Upper East, Mega World, lapit sa may Landers. Para ila float. Ano nga barangay ni? Wala, ano siya, wala nakabutang. Last 2. Hari para pita barangay 11. By the way, ara ilang mga dancers later. Barangay 11. Ara ilang costume. So in the past 2 years, I think, or 3 years, bali ano to sila do kasamba style, may ara queen, then may mga background dancer masaot samba. This time group gid yang masaot with costume. Do ka maskara sa ano gyapon, street dance and showdown pero with lights. So that's the electric mascara. Ara ila choreographer si Mark Salmingo. Barangay 11. 32 ka? Sige. Sorry, barangay 32 na sila gali da. Hello. Good luck. Float of barangay 11. Barangay 11. Sige, last na nga float. Sneak peek lang ni actually, wala pa makastart ng parade. Ng barangay. Amuni siyang number. Amuni ang last na float sa parade. Again, nila assembly area, is Upper East, lapit sa Landers. Parade will start at 6 PM. Mas tahom pag itas lakaron kay may lights. So amo lang to anay, and ko anay live later ma-live kami liwat kung ma-start na ang parade. And try man namon live liwat sa arena dito competition sa NGC. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned and please don't forget to like and follow our Archipelago Facebook page. Share man ang amon mga posts. Thank you.